Hey guys, my name is Thalita Domingues, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're not new, welcome back, and thank you for your support. As some of you know, I am an aesthetics student, so I am on my journey to become an esthetician, to give a lot of facials, dermaplane, do some eyebrows, and all that fun stuff. Today we got our makeup kit at school, and then I brought it here so I could show you all what we got in our kit. It's a pretty decent size of box, and I don't know what it is. As you guys can see, it's still closed, but I'm gonna show you in details. I don't recognize this brand of makeup, but if you guys would like to see makeup tutorial or a feedback on this brand and whatnot, just let me know in the comments and I can definitely record that video for you. I'm all about makeup. I love doing makeup, so that would not be a problem at all. But let's do this. So we got 6 foundation. It says that it's an all-day prolonged wear, beautiful, full coverage, shine free, and even finish. So here are the shades that we got. I feel like it's too many light colors and not enough darker color for people of color, so we will see how that would go. But these are the shades we got, and then we got lipsticks. So let's see the colors. We're gonna open here with y'all. So these are the shades of lipstick we got. I haven't tried them yet, of course, but as I said, if you guys want me to, I will. And let me see. They are matte lipstick, and they're not liquid, which is good because we avoid cross-contamination that way. We got a setting powder. We got all day setting spray. We got a banana powder. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. And then we got a dual sharpener. Ooh, in this little bag. I don't know what it is. Let me see. Okay, so this is liner, pencil, and waterproof eyeliner. So got a few colors here, and then the black one is the eyeliner. There we go. We also got a mascara. It's an eye primer. Ooh, that is cool. We also got a tweezer. This is good. And some shapes for the eyebrows. I don't know exactly how to use them, but I feel like this is pretty nice, especially for those that do not know how to do the eyebrows. This is definitely going to be very helpful. And then we got a HD Effect Primer, oil free. And we got brushes. I'm so excited for this. I definitely needed new brushes. So we got an eyebrow palette with some cool shades. This is a 15 color cream foundation. This is the box, and this is the palette. And we're gonna open it. This one is a 6 color pressed powder foundation palette. Here we have a 35 eyeshadow palette. Here we have some blush and highlighter. Look how beautiful those colors are. And we got a last eyeshadow palette that is a OMG shadow collections with 35 colors. Ooh, it looks really cute. They all look like Morph. I feel like they were trying to copy Morph. Don't mind my Jaclyn Hill palette, all kind of messy, but Jaclyn Hill, and then this one. Just saying. Okay, last thing we have, which it seems to be a bag. And it is a clear bag. So yeah guys, I believe that was all we got for our makeup kit. And if you guys would like to see more, if you want to see a makeup, or I don't know, just give me ideas of content of what you would like to see here. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, comment below what you would like to see here, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Ciao.